Today is Wednesday, February 26th, and today I learned that I was kind of thinking about, like, if I had to just give one piece of general advice to anybody, I was kind of just thinking about that, and I found that one piece of advice from me would probably be to just take the next step in what's important. Take the next step for what's important. Or it could just be take the next step, take it one step at a time, something along those lines. Because it is true for a lot of things. It's true when you're procrastinating. It's true when you are feeling unsure about things. It's true when you're trying to fix something. It's true in a lot of different situations. And I just think it's a very helpful kind of motto or thing to just keep thinking every single day. Just take the next step. So for example, if you're procrastinating, right, just take the smallest step that you could take to get closer to your task. If you are feeling unsure about something, right, just take the smallest step towards being more sure, to just keep doing the right thing, no matter if you feel unsure about it or not. Right? When there's something really overwhelming, right? This, like, literally like 10 minutes ago, I was feeling very, very overwhelmed. I was just thinking, like, just take the next step. When you're trying to fix something, right? When something went wrong, you're trying to fix it, just take the next step. Take the next step that will get you a little bit closer to where you want to be, right? I think that's kind of, if I had to summarize, that's kind of what I learned today. I was trying to just use that as like a mantra for the whole day, and it was helpful for me, right? Even though, like, when I experienced hardships and stuff, I was just thinking, like, just take the next step, right? And this, like I said, it can be applied to a lot of different things. I think a lot of times that first step that you need to take is towards God. At least that's what I found. Praying to God and asking for help, asking for strength, asking for clarity, right? All of those things. So yeah, just take the next step. Take the first step that'll get you a little bit closer to where you want to go. And oftentimes, that first step, if not all the time, that first step is just asking God for help and strength and clarity or whatever you need, right? But then after that, also just, like, take the next step. And then after that, just take the next step. And after that, just keep on taking these small steps that get you a little bit closer to your goal. That's what I learned today, because I was kind of just thinking about, like, if I had to summarize one piece of advice, and this would be it, right? Well, I'm not sure about that. But if there was, like, a daily just, like, quote or thing that would help me with any situation, is to just take the next step. Or honestly, just, like, take a step towards God, right? Because that helps in any situation. Just take a step towards God. Like I said, whether you're procrastinating, you're trying to fix something, you're feeling overwhelmed, you're unsure, just take a step towards God and He will help you. I guess that's what the takeaway would be, right? Take a step towards God. I'll probably put it on my wall somewhere up here. That's what I learned today, because I was feeling very unsure and very overwhelmed today. And also feeling kind of like self-pity, which I think I do a lot, and that's not good most of the time, if not all the time. And I was just thinking, just, like, let me run to God. Like, I was reading this thing and it was talking about how God should be our escape instead of scrolling, right? Because I do think that scrolling can be an escape, a form of escape from our responsibilities and different things, right? But really, God should be our escape. Just take a step towards God. No matter where you are in life, no matter how far along you are, no matter whatever, just take a step towards God. That's what I learned today. So, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, then I'd love a like and a comment. If you want to see more videos, then definitely subscribe, because I'm posting every single day talking about what I learned that day and how I'm trying to apply it to my life and how you guys can apply it to yours. So if you want to see that kind of thing, then definitely check out my channel and subscribe if you want to see more of that. This is the video I posted. I'm actually about to post, but for you, I posted it yesterday. and is talking about just like what to do when you're having a hard time. So if that's you, then definitely watch that video. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Just take the next step towards God.